We had a record quarter in the fourth quarter due to the elements that you've just mentioned. And there is a lot of things happening on both the demand and the supply side. I think for the year as a whole, we've really seen a situation where demand has picked up out of the recovery, some debottlenecking effects, but that being more replaced by long-term demand drivers like need for aluminium in electrical vehicles or need for aluminium to support the green transition. What has been special about Q4 is more the supply side. The really rocketing energy prices has put pressure on a lot of European smelters. And we've actually seen 700,000 tons of capacity curtailed in Europe as it's not profitable to produce aluminium even at these prices. And that contributes to the record high aluminium price and the record high earnings for us.
What about the measures that you expect to have to take in the face of higher energy prices? Clearly, the escalation in tensions between Russia and Ukraine has put the price of oil and the broader energy complex firmly into focus this morning.
Well, one of the good things about Norsk Hydro is that we have a strong energy backbone, and that has been a differentiator in the period we've just been through. We have been securing long-term energy over several years. So for the majority of our smelters, we are covered well into 2030. It's more the smaller operations that we have on the remelter side, on the extrusion sides, where we're having to pay a bit higher energy price, but it's not as large a part of the cost as it is for producing aluminium.
Now, you mentioned there that sort of soaring energy prices are one of the key drivers for the increase in the production of aluminium, the increase in cost of producing aluminium. But what about the supply issues from heightened tensions between Russia and Ukraine? How will Russia playing into the aluminium supply story affect this?
Well, firstly, we hope that the situation between Russia and Ukraine is resolved in a peaceful way. If it was to escalate further, then, of course, where we believe we have the largest exposures, direct and indirect, is through aluminium, alumina, and energy. You remember back when it was imposed the sanctions towards certain Russian officials, the last time that drove up aluminium prices quite significantly. That was in more balanced market. Now we have markets which are deep undersupplied. So sanctions which impacts the aluminium price, it could really force up prices in the short term.